Welcome to another motivation tips and tricks install video. Today we're going to be working on a Panigale V4 seat cover from Luimoto. Okay, here are some of the tools you need. First and foremost, a good staple gun. This one is by Porter Cable. It's pneumatic. You can use a manual staple gun, but this is the pneumatic version and it works much more efficiently. The other thing is some good 22 gauge fine wire staples, 3/8" crown, 3/8" leg, galvanized, 7 1/10 is what it says on there. So these are good quality staples that will last you quite a while. They're easy to remove if you ever make a mistake. Then you have your Luimoto seat cover. Now these are extremely well made. From our experience, they fit exceedingly well, so you shouldn't have any issues. The main problems that we find are people forcing it and pulling it too hard and subsequently tearing the fabric. Although personally, I've never seen any over here that we've managed to tear. So besides, they have a really good warranty, so if you encounter situations that where the seat cover is defective, by all means contact us or contact Luimoto. So the first thing we like to do is to pre-install the seat cover to make sure everything fits nicely. Notice there are some tabs here with holes that you want to probably make sure that they go in there perfectly. Starting from the back, gently pull and snug it up. Turn it around, get the front in, tucking the corners in gently, slowly, and making sure everything sits perfectly. All right, all the corners here, corners here and here. Notice everything fits as it should. For some seat covers that have a lot of nooks and crannies in the seat cover may be a little bit tight, or it may be a little bit loose in places. If there are some radical angles, you might get creases like that. So usually what we like to do is to pre-install the seat cover, clamp them down in position here and here and here and here, and leave them out in, say, a strong sunlight for a little while, just to kind of heat things up, make sure everything stretches into shape. That makes the install a lot easier, but in most cases you don't have to. So to start, try to get everything into position first and get a couple of staples in just to hold them in place. Hold it in place. Two in the front. Two in the back. And one on each side. So once you've got the rough positioning of the seat cover, look for loose spots, places where the creases might pop up, because after you sit on it for a while it may crease up. One of the tricks we do is kind of massage it forward or backwards into position. And as you get all the looseness out of it, kind of roll it over the edge. Roll it over the edge and get it into position. Turn it around, and if you notice right here, you've lost some, you've got some extra space that you want to get rid of. So tighten it up. A few more staples. Do the same for the back. Now, it's not imperative that you put all the staples in at the same time. What you want to do is make sure everything is snugged up tight with no creases. So kind of massage it, pull it over, roll it over the edge, snug it up tight. So now you've got the front and back pretty snug. You want to take care of the corners. The creases will usually show up around the really tight angle. So start doing this, massaging, roll it over the edge, holding it in place. Put one staple there. Obviously exercise caution that you don't staple your own finger. It can be pretty painful. So here's another one. Repeat a little bit to the rear of the seat. Now you want to probably work symmetrically, so if you go this way, you're going to end up twisting the seat cover. So what I do is start with the front, do a little bit on the left, a little bit more on the right, left, right, then clean up the rear. So here we go again, massage, roll over, tuck. As you go, make sure everything is snug. Staple. Make sure everything is snug. Staple. There you go. Another nice job. Beautiful seat cover from Luimoto. Thank you for watching.